Hey guys, what is up? It's your girl The Quinn here and I'm back with another quick tip. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to change some of your view options within File Explorer. But before this video continues, you know the drill. Be sure to like the video if you love the content and share it to others. Also, subscribe if you're new. And note that the instrumentals for this video have been provided by InnerSanctum Entertainment Ltd. Now, let's get right into it. First, I'm sure you guys may be wondering, how do I get to see the actual file extension of my file while browsing through my files in File Explorer? Even though there's a long way to do it, say for instance, I'm in my downloads folder right now. Let me down arrow so you can hear the name of a file.
Custom Office Templates 1 of 28.
And if I should right arrow and go over to type, I can actually hear the type of the file.
Date modified edit. Type edit file folder read only row 1 type column 3.
But what if I actually want my file extension to be read to me when I'm actually on the name of the file? Because you have some folders that don't show you the actual type of the file. Let me show you this folder for instance. Okay, so right now I am in a folder that has in mostly MP3 files. But I also have files such as PowerPoint files or documents in this folder as well. And I'm currently on a file that is a document.
Instructions 27 of 52.
And if I should right arrow?
Number edit read only row 27. Title edit read only row 27 title column 3. Contributing artists edit read.
You realize that it doesn't give you the actual type. So if you have two files called dogs, for example, one is a document folder and one is an MP3, how are you gonna know which is which? Well, I have the solution for you. Let me go back over to where the name of the file is.
Title, number, instructions 27 of.
Now what we're going to be using to change this is the View tab in the menu. And to access the menu in File Explorer, all you have to use is your Alt key.
File tab drop down button grid sub menu open new windows.
Then right arrow until you get to View.
Ribbon tabs tab control. Home tab sub, share tab sub menu alt. View tab sub menu alt, V.
Then press enter to open it.
My logos window. Ribbon tabs tab control. View tab selected pressed sub menu. View property page. Panes grouping. Navigation pane drop down button sub menu choose what.
Now what we're gonna do is tab until we get to the show or hide grouping.
Preview pane details pane layout grouping. View current view group by drop add columns drop down size all columns to show/hide grouping. Item checkboxes checkbox not checked. File name extensions checkbox not checked. Show or hide the set of characters added to the end of files that identifies the file.
Okay, so this is the option that we want. Then you're gonna press your spacebar to check it.
Items view list. Instructions.docs 27 of 52.
And there we go. Now it is saying instructions.docs. And if I should up arrow to an MP3 file.
Input gestures intro.mp3 26 of 52.
And you can always go back and turn off this setting again. Now that is it for that option. Let's get right into the next one. Okay, so I know by default, you realize that in your downloads folder, your downloads are grouped by the dates, like yesterday, today, last week, stuff like that. And most persons might find that a bit annoying. What if you'd want to change that and you wanted to stop grouping your items by date? Well, this is how you do it. First of all, let me show you that my items in my downloads folder are currently grouped by date.
Yesterday grouping expanded.
Now, let me show you how you'll fix this. First, you'll press Alt.
File tab drop down button
Then right arrow over to View.
Ribbon tabs tab control. Share tab sub. View tab sub menu alt, V.
Then press Enter.
Downloads window. Ribbon tabs tab control. View tab selected pressed sub menu.
Now, what we're gonna do is to tab down until we get to Group By.
Preview pane details pane button show or layout grouping. Views current view group by drop down button sub menu group the.
Then press Enter.
Pressed. Group by list. Name checked.
Now, what you're gonna do is tab until you get to None.
Date modify. Type check. Size check. Date create. Authors check. Category. Tags check. Title check. Left paren. None right paren. Checked.
Then press your spacebar.
Pressed. Items view list. Fall 2021 journal guideline not selected 24 of 44.
And there we go. If I should press my home.
Line McCosts not selected 1 of 44.
There we go. Now it just sorted in ascending order.
Dashboard 2. TIA video stuff. 10 free transition. 202039. Add drop form 8 of.
And there we go guys, that's it for this video, and it was a real quick one. I know that's why it's called quick tips, but thanks again guys for watching. Hopefully you liked the video and you learned something and it was helpful. Like the video if you love the content, share it to others, and subscribe if you're new. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you next time.